In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see my domain key in Brevo. This is useful when you are authenticating a sending domain because Brevo provides a DKIM record that your DNS provider needs. The specific piece you are looking for is the TXT value in the DKIM section. Once that value is added to your DNS correctly, it helps mailbox providers verify that emails sent from your domain are legitimate, which improves deliverability and trust. To begin, sign into your Brevo account and look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile area, usually showing your name or company. Click that menu to open the account options. From the menu, select the Settings option. This takes you into the configuration area where Brevo stores sending-related settings. On the Settings page, look for the section labeled Senders, Domains, and Dedicated IPs. Click into that section since it contains the domain authentication tools. Once you are inside, find and select the Domains tab. This tab lists the domains connected to your Brevo account along with their current authentication status. Locate the domain you want to work with, then look to the right of it for the Authenticate option. Click Authenticate next to that domain. Brevo will open the authentication details for that domain. Here you will see DNS records that Brevo expects you to add at your domain host. Focus on the DKIM record section. In that DKIM area, find the TXT value field. Carefully copy the TXT value exactly as it appears. When you copy it, make sure you capture the entire value, including any characters, punctuation, and spacing. If the value is long, it may wrap onto multiple lines visually, but it still needs to be copied as one complete string. A small missing character can cause authentication to fail. At this point, you have successfully found your domain key in Brevo, specifically the TXT value under the DKIM record section, ready to paste into your DNS provider when you set up the record. And that covers everything you need to know.